Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys Beauteque.com's Black Friday deals, which I'm so excited about. Every year they do such great, grand promotions and discounts for you guys, and it's just the best time to load up on all the skincare things that you need and all of that good stuff. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys their limited edition boxes, which I have right here, which looks like the basic subscription box that they do, but you're actually getting more items for this Black Friday deal. So this box, particularly the Beauteque box, usually comes with 6 full-size products, and this time there's going to be 8 of them. And then for the Mask Maven, it usually comes with only 9 face sheet masks, but this time it's going to be 15. So I'm really excited to share these with you guys. And so if you guys are interested in watching and finding out what's in these limited edition boxes, keep on watching. So starting off with my favorite subscription, it's going to be the Beauty box bag, whatever you want to call it. And like I said, they usually come with 6 items, but this time for their premier beauty box, there's going to be 8 items in here. So as usual, it starts off with your usual little brochure, and it says a gift for you. This is such a great idea for either gifting to somebody or even for yourself. So it's really good, especially with holiday season coming around. And it gives you an idea, overview of what's going to be inside the box. So this is really great to have. First thing here I see is going to be the Hydra Full Solution Water Volume Aqua Gel Cream. So this is a moisturizer. Obviously, it's going to be good for hydration, especially if you have dry skin, and I'm all for that. The next thing here I see is going to be from Tony Moly, I believe, right? Yes, Tony Moly Kiss Balm, and this is just basically a little lip balm. It's really cute, comes in this lip shape, so it's really easy to put into your purse and bring everywhere you need it. The next thing here I see is from Nature Inside, and it's their Banana Mayo Hair Pack. I love the packaging. I've actually seen this before, and actually I've used it before, and I feel like this really keeps your hair very moisturized and soft. So this is a really good product as well, and the packaging alone is super cute. It looks like a mayo. The next thing here I see is going to be from Elisa Vecco Original. This brand also did the carbonated pig mask, so this is a good one too. This is called the Witch Piggy Hell Pore Control, and this is basically just a serum, and this serum is going to control your pores from enlarging and also declogging. So this is a really good one to use, especially if you have very oily skin. The next thing here I see is going to be from Eureka, and this is their Charcoal Premium Modeling Gel Mask Pack. And this is basically a powder, and then you put some water, mix it in, and then put it into your skin. As you know, charcoal is really good for removing impurities and all of that, so it's really good for like a good detox type of a mask. So this is really good. The next thing here I see is from Balm Mickey Blackhead Cleanser, and this one I have used in the past as well, so I can say a little bit more about it. I think it's really convenient that it comes in this type of a packaging, where you have an actual brush right here, so when you're trying to get into like your nose area and the pores right here, it's really easy to like get a good control and get rid of it. And then once the cleanser actually comes out, you can let it stay onto your skin for a little bit and then be ready to remove it, and everything will just come out. So I love this product. I really highly recommend this for people who have large pores again. The next thing here I have is going to be a Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream. I've also used this before too. It's a really good eye cream. I really feel like it really brightens the under eyes, so this is good. And the last thing here I see is going to be from Annie's Way. And this is basically just a spray. It's kind of like those activating essence sprays where you can just kind of spray onto your skin. And this is actually a jelly one, so this is a really good one. It's kind of like a serum formula. And then you can just use this onto your skin for like extra hydration, and it'll make your skin really soft and firm. So those are the items that you will receive in this premium box. And this premium box is retailing for $30, $29.99, and you're getting 8 items, which is a really great. Moving on to Mask Maven, this is also another great subscription, especially if you're into like using face masks. Again, it's a great holiday gift for people, especially because like I said, there's so many in the market, and that you never really know which ones you want to try out, or you want to try everything. I feel like it's a great like deal to actually get like a subscription for this, so that you can just get a mail to your house, and each month you'll have a whole bunch to test out and kind of see what you really like. But what's amazing about this specific deal, because it's a premium limited edition deal, you're getting 15 face masks. So inside here there's 15, and usually in the subscription there's only 9 boxes, and you're gonna get 15 for $15. So that's a really great deal and a good steal. So let's go ahead and open this. As usual, like I said, it always comes through a little brochure. And again, inside the brochure, it goes through every single face mask that will be inside the box and a little description about it, what it's good for, and all of that. So the first thing here I see is going to be a soft care foot pack, foot and heel peeling mask. I love these types of masks, especially because I'm a girl who I love wearing high heels. Although high heels are great, but the bottom of your foot, you tend to get calluses, right? I know, TMI. But with this product, when you put it onto your feet, throughout the week, your feet will just start to peel all the dead skins, and then your feet will just feel super soft after. So yes, this is great. The next thing we have is from Annie's Way, and this is a ginkgo and seaweed anti-wrinkle eye mask. As you know, we always need those eye masks, especially right here. We don't create any hydration down here. So anytime you get an opportunity to use an eye mask, use it, because you need all the hydration. You can get it under here. Next thing we have here is from Berrysome. It's the SOS My Lip Patch. This is really good for if you have really bad chapped lips, especially right now. It's been quite windy here in LA. So, you know, we've been getting those, what do you call those? Like when your lip gets really, really chapped, like almost like a windburn. So you need this. Next we have from Tony Moly. It's the Panda's Dream Eye Patch. I am loving there's so many eye patches in here because I need them. Next we have the Hand Care Pack. It's from MJ Care, and this is basically a hand mask. So for, especially with winter coming around, your hands will get dry, so every now and then it's good to do a hand mask. Next thing we have is from Berrysome as well. It's a bubble mask, brightening fruit, and this is a very citrus one. It has lime and lemon, so it's very good for brightening. And I don't know about you, but I love the carbonated masks. I think they're so fun to use, and when they bubble up, it's really cute. So I love this. Next we have from It's Skin. It's going to be their Rose Moisture Vitality Mask Sheet. As you know, rose has really good properties for hydration, and I'm a dry skin girl, so I need this. Next we have is from Innisfree, and it's going to be It's a Real Squeeze Mask, and it's lime, as like I said, citrus again. It's very brightening and really good to restore collagen to your skin. Love that. Next we have Girls on Period Masks. You all know if you get periods, we all can relate to this. Every month we break out because of our hormones. So this is a great mask to have with you to kind of just, you know, get rid of any breakouts from periods. Next we have Esfolio Honey Essence Mask Sheet. I love this stuff. I love anything with honey in it. It's just because it's very hydrating. So this is great to have. Next we have a Pearl Essence Mask Sheet. As you know, this one is from Esfolio as well, and this is definitely good for anti-aging and brightening the skin. From Pure Derm, we have the Deep Purifying Black O2 Bubble Mask, another bubble mask, which I'm excited about. Love that. These ones are super cute and they smell amazing. I've tried them before, but I haven't tried the green tea one, so I'm excited. And this is the Bubble Tea Mask. As you know, green tea has antioxidants, so it's good for skin that's aging and all of that good stuff. I've also tried this one and I love this one. It's a brightening mask. The packaging is so vibrant. I love it. And this is from Leaders in Solution, and this is the Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask, like I said, for brightening. And last but not the least, we have from Urban Decay My Panda Synergy Collagen Mask. As you know, collagen, again, it's good for anti-aging, and you want to make sure you're always kind of replenishing your collagen so that you always have firm skin. And that is all the masks that you're going to get. It's about $15, again, for $15, so each mask comes out to like $1. It's a great steal, trust me. There you guys have it for the limited edition boxes, the premium boxes. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Again, do take advantage of this, especially if you guys want to try out like a whole bunch of skincare products and you're just not quite sure of what you want, or you want to gift it to a friend. I think these are great gifts, especially with the holiday season coming around the corner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing and these deals. And I'm going to list more deals that they're going to be offering in my description box down below, so you can be all into it and check it out, because I know they're also doing tier promotion box, like tier promotion discounts for their actual retail items, not in the boxes, so that's a great deal too. And they're also doing percentages off subscription boxes if you ever want to futurely like actually subscribe to the boxes. So there's going to be that deals. There's going to be so many great deals. I'm going to list everything down below, but I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. And don't forget to hit that like button. Comment down below if you want to see other types of unboxings or whatever you guys want to see from my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!